Hi, this is Vivek Damor again, and this is my third topic. Be a on boss. Large corporations are downsizing and moving their businesses to cheaper labor areas. Many good hard working people have found themselves on the unemployment line. There may be an opportunity in your area to start up a business with low or no money down. Agency operators for car rentals locations are in demand in many areas in the United States. Avis, Budget, and Hertz have car rental locations owned by them but run by independent business people. The first step is to contact the company you would like to be affiliated with. Check the local car rental offices near you and to see what brands might be available. Visit car rental locations and ask questions. Contact the company and let them know you are interested. There may be agency opportunities to posted in the newspaper or on the internet. Monster, Career Builder, or Craigslist often have agency operators listing posted. To be considered for an agency operator position, you must be accepted by the company. A through application is required, and they will most often perform a credit check. When you are accepted, the work begins. There are some minor costs you will incur in the beginning. You will have to set up a corporation for your business. A lawyer is recommended for this step. However, it is possible to do over the internet. Another advantage of hiring an attorney is at the time of reviewing the contract. The company must protect their assets and there will be a lot of reading to do. The contract is drawn up by lawyers and is difficult for the average person to understand. Make sure you understand everything on your contract before signing in it. The accountant will charge a small fee to set up you with the necessary tax identification number you will need to operate legally. The rental companies may require you to have business liability insurance. Get all of the necessary requirements before contracting an insurance company. It is possible for small neighborhood car rental locations to function with the one person, but it can be very stressful. Many times family members will help in the beginning if your location is a large city. You may consider hiring at least one person to assist you. Having your rental car agency has its ups and downs. Great customer service skills are very important here. You will be constantly dealing with customers on the phone and at the counter. You will be responsible for renting and cleaning cars. Advantages: national recognition. Choosing from the top of three auto rental companies will give you the creditability of a reputable company. Second, established location. Most likely you will be placed in a location that has been serving rental car customers for a while. This gives you a customer base to start your business. You will have a phone listing in the book and online. That will great advantage over starting your business from scratch. No rent expense to you. Vehicles. Third, no inventory to purchase. The company provides you with the latest model of cars, vans, sports, utility vehicles. They, uh, they also license, insure and maintain them. Training. Before the first vehicle is rented under your name, you will undergo complete training from the company. No experience is needed to start your own agency. The company will teach you their procedures for customer issues, computer application and sales training. Office equipment. desk, computer, phones, fax machines are usually provided by the company. There are some disadvantages also. Long hours. Most car rental locations are open 7 days a week. Early hours for corporate customers are common. 2. Inventory. A corporate dispatcher is in a large of any special rental you may need. Sometimes this is the problem during holidays when the demand of rental vehicles is high. Cleaning supplies. Rental cars must be clean and ready to rent. Some companies may provide a vacuum cleaner, but other cleaning solutions are the agency operator expense. And 4. Employees. Hiring qualified assistants is your action. You are responsible for their actions in the eye of the company. Workmen's compensation insurance, unemployment insurance, and all necessary federal and state taxes must be filed and paid on time. Car rental companies compensate their independent contractors on a commission basis. A respectable income can be earned by the hard-working agency operator without a large initial investment. Thank you.